Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the troubleshooting works. Check that your device has power and a stable network, and that battery is above 20% or plugged in. Next, note the exact OS version, build number, and the update error message. This tells you which component failed. Once done, close background apps, clear the system or store cache, and temporarily disable any VPN or proxy because they often block update servers. Now dive into diagnostics. Run the built-in update troubleshooter or system diagnostic utility so you get targeted recommendations. Make sure to restart update-related services, clear or rename the update download folder, and re-register packages or components as required. This forces a fresh fetch. Also, check disk space and run file system integrity checks, and ensure system date and time are correct, because certificate or server mismatches often block update verification. Finally, retry the update after services and caches are reset. If the full update still fails, try installing incrementally or use the official offline installer to avoid network issues. If necessary, perform a repair install that preserves data and reboot into normal mode. If problems persist, capture update logs and note exact error codes, because those are essential when you contact support or search knowledge bases. One key tip: collect logs first. They save time and prevent repeated.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.